Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? Yo, let me tell you something. I am so excited about this new Sony ZV1 camera that I was able to go and purchase just yesterday. This is my official first camera that I've ever bought, and for like content creation, vlogging and stuff like that. I probably won't do too much vlogging because that was just, man, that was just a lot. And with my schedule and stuff like that, I just need to get my stuff, put it on a disc or whatever, or not even put it on a disc, but chop it up and just, you know, upload it. So vlogging, that was just too much stuff. But yeah, when it comes to this Sony ZV1, it is just clear, it's crisp. This is like my 5th take on this because I was plugging the cord from my mic system to the camera with the wrong connection actually. And I have paired this camera with the Saramonic lavalier mics, and I've used these mics for about 2 weeks now when it came to using it with my iPhone, and they worked perfect. So I knew it would work perfect with this camera setup. I love it, and let me just turn it around and show you how it looks. So this is how I have my setup right now. I should have gotten the little gimbal that came along with the Sony ZV1. Actually, it doesn't come along with it. You have to buy it separately, but it was $129. I did not feel like spending that extra money for it. But this is just my little setup right now. As time goes on, I will definitely, you know, upgrade. But from what I've heard, these are very, very good when it comes to creating content, you know, as a beginner. So cheers to better content and staying consistent. Peace.